The natural home of generative AI tools and services is cloud. All of the top cloud providers are trying to fight with each other in terms of grabbing this generative AI market, which is very rapidly growing. As we see new players coming up in the market, the existing cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Oracle, and others are launching new services almost every month. In this video, let's have a quick look at which are the top services in terms of API access these cloud providers are producing or intend to produce. When it comes to AWS, it seems that AWS is still lagging behind for their own models, but they are going quite fast in terms of providing API access to the existing models. AWS Bedrock platform is offering new generative models, software agents that enable customers to interact with those models, and a service that generates medical records. The new capabilities are available in what AWS called as preview and are subjected to change. That is my biggest gripe with AWS as AWS Bedrock has been in preview for the last 3-4 months, and whereas rest of the cloud providers have um, given their models and services to the public long time back. So AWS really needs to lift their game there. Bedrock was launched in April and this is August now, so it's been 4 months. Anyway, so the Bedrock, which was launched in April, as I said, with a stable diffusion image generator and large language models, including AI 21, Jurassic 2, and Anthropic's Claude. Now, they have also added more models like Cohere, and there is one more which is called as Embed. And the agent's capabilities, this Bedrock agents, enables user to incorporate these models into applications that understand and fulfill requests and take advantage of private data. Whereas this health scribe is industry specific and helps to generate medical notes after a clinical visit. Large language models transcribe conversations between patients and medical professionals, identify speakers, extract medical terminology, and generate summaries. And AWS SageMaker is one of the oldest AWS machine learning managed service. And now with the help of SageMaker, you can deploy, fine tune, and pre-train models. I believe SageMaker is the thing of past. AWS really needs to come up with a brand new generative AI service. Maybe they could enhance Bedrock. I cannot comment on Bedrock much at this moment because I haven't really used it, and I'm still waiting for AWS to give me access. Okay, when it comes to Google Cloud, Google has been at the forefront. Google Cloud Platform or GCP offers access to generative models such as its Palm large language model and image generator via the Vertex AI service. Its generative AI builder aims to help users build customized chatbots and search engines. Whereas when it comes to Azure, they're also really going good. Azure has this Microsoft Fabric service, which enables you to reshape how everyone accesses, manages, and acts on data and insights by connecting every data source and analytics service together using a single AI-powered platform. Then we have Azure Machine Learning, which helps you in build, train, and deploy models from the cloud to the edge. And then we have Azure App Services, which lets you quickly create powerful cloud apps for web and mobile. And then, of course, we have OpenAI service, which is the most famous one. Okay, now the last one is Oracle. In Oracle One, in Oracle Cloud or OCI, they are issuing lot and lot of good services, and I'll be doing more videos on it separately because they're really quietly but surely trying to gain ground. For instance, they have this. There are various apps for generative AI capabilities through popular business applications. So in all of their applications, they are embedding AI, which is huge. Then they have OCI generative AI, where you can access Cohere Foundation models through the upcoming OCI generative AI service. They are big on sorry about that. Then they have this Oracle machine learning infrastructure where you can fine-tune, pre-train lot of foundation models. And then they also have OCI data science, OCI infrastructure, where you can use NVIDIA GPU and high performance compute tool. A lot of other things are coming up. So, and then there are very small cloud providers which are trying to gain that traction in this generative AI. But as I said, all of these cloud providers are trying hard, and we already know a lot about GCP and Azure, and Oracle is coming up fast. AWS is there, but they are really lagging behind in terms of making their services public. So this is it, guys. I'm very interested in hearing about your thoughts and impressions about which cloud provider is going big in terms of generative AI. Please share your feedback, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.